Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of one of the most exciting retro revivals in the automotive world, the all-new 2026 Citroën 2CV. That's right, the legendary French icon is back, but with a modern twist. If you're a fan of classic design with contemporary engineering, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Now, let's start by talking about what grabs your attention first, the exterior. Citroën has managed to pull off something pretty special here. The 2026 2CV pays homage to its roots with its instantly recognizable silhouette, rounded fenders, and corrugated bonnet. But instead of feeling dated, it feels charmingly nostalgic with a futuristic edge. The front end has sleek LED headlights that mimic the old round shape but with a modern light signature. The body panels are minimalist and clean, keeping true to the original's utilitarian design, but now sculpted for better aerodynamics and style. Citroën is offering this model in a variety of retro-inspired colors with customizable roof options, including canvas tops that roll back just like the original. Under the hood, or rather, under the chassis, there's a completely different story. This new 2CV isn't running on a tiny, air-cooled engine anymore. It's fully electric. Powered by a compact electric motor producing around 120 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque, the 2026 2CV offers zippy city driving with surprisingly competent highway speeds. It's not designed to be a performance car, but with a 0 to 60 mph time of just under 9 seconds, it's more than adequate for daily use. Citroën has focused on efficiency and comfort, and the result is a quiet, smooth ride with regenerative braking in multiple driving modes. The standard battery pack offers a range of about 220 miles, with an optional extended battery giving you close to 300 miles on a single charge. Charging is also quick and convenient, with fast charging support that can get you from 20 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Stepping inside the 2CV, the design is playful, airy, and incredibly functional. Citroën has taken a minimalist approach, but not in a cheap way. The interior feels like a modern lounge with clever storage, a fabric-covered dashboard, and colorful accents that match the exterior. The seats are soft, wide, and designed for comfort over long drives, just like the original car was intended for rural France. You'll find a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's even a fold-out picnic table in the glove compartment. Yes, you heard that right. Citroën has really leaned into the fun, quirky nature of the 2CV without sacrificing modern tech and safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Now let's talk pricing. The base model of the 2026 Citroën 2CV starts at around $23,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs in the European market. The mid-range trim with extended range and a few extra features sits closer to $27,000, while the top-end variant with all the bells and whistles, panoramic roof, upgraded infotainment, and enhanced driver assists can go up to $31,000. That's still a pretty attractive price point for a unique EV that blends charm, practicality, and eco-conscious driving. So, should you consider the new 2CV? If you're looking for a fun, stylish, and eco-friendly city car that's full of character, the answer is absolutely yes. Citroën has brought back a piece of automotive history in a way that feels fresh, relevant, and actually useful in today's world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2CV revival. Is it retro perfection or a modern miss? Catch you in the next one.